Alright guys, I wanted to go with you to how to remove a broken primer. This primer was put in using an RCBS hand priming tool and was put in sideways, and I just wanted to go over safe primer removal. So of course you always have to wear safety glasses. That's number one anytime you're dealing with a live primer. This is a Lee universal decapping die, so it has no resizing at all. It's just decapping, so it's just a decapping pin. So I'm just going to put that in here. I've already set this up to where it's set up for the 223. I'm just going to slowly push it in, and there it is. It's already popped out. So safely removed, no explosions. And here, I'll show you the used primer. It's been to shit. So that can't be used anymore. Throw that away. That's done.